This whole chocolate slab has to be divided equally among two people. Can you think of different ways this chocolate slab can be divided equally to be shared among two people? This is one way we can divide the chocolate slab equally. This is the second way that we can divide the chocolate slab. And this is the third way we can divide the chocolate slab equally into two parts. We have three different ways in which this whole chocolate slab can be divided equally into two parts. Now this is our new chocolate bar and it has to be divided equally among two people. So these are the two equal parts of my chocolate bar and each part is called a half. Now the same chocolate bar has to be divided equally among four people. So we make four equal parts of the same chocolate bar. And each part is called a 1/4. Now the same chocolate bar has to be divided equally among 8 people. So we have 8 equal parts of this whole chocolate bar. And each part is called 1/8. These two strips represent 2/3 of my whole. So, what fractional part do we need to complete a whole? Can you think? How many pieces of 1/8 make a half? Let's count. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let's see whether they are equal. Yes, they are. We can say that 4 pieces of 1/8 are equal to a half. That means 4/8 is equal to half. If this is my whole chocolate bar, this is 1/3 of the chocolate bar and this is 1/6 of the chocolate bar. So can you think how many pieces of 1/6 will make a 1/3? If this is a whole, this is half of the whole and this is 1/4 of the whole. So can you think what is the relation between this part and this fractional part? This is a whole. This is half part of the whole. Now let's count the fractional part. This is half or 1/2. This is 2/2 and this is 3/2. Now these two pieces can be replaced by a whole. So this new fraction can also be called as 1.5. This is a whole which is of 9 into 9 square centimeters and this fractional part is 1/9 for this whole. Now we take a new whole. This is of 12 into 12 square centimeters. So, can you tell the relation between this fractional part for this whole?